FAST Micro S mount from Unity Tactical. Specifically designed for the Aimpoint Comp M5S, Comp M5B, and Duty RDS Mini Red Dot sights. The FAST Micro S places these taller micro sights at the established FAST height of 2.26 inches optical centerline above the rail and provides faster, easier dot or reticle acquisition while wearing night vision goggles, gas masks, plate carriers, and other gear. The FAST Micro S is fully compatible with the entire line of FAST magnifier mounts. Machined from 7075 T6 aluminum and is hardcoat anodized in black or FDE. The FAST Micro S mount can also be fitted with a quick detach lever. Available now at dealers and unitytactical.com.